that probably that Fendi. Ice Cube all about the Benjis. Spent 10 bands in Fendi. ASAP, my niggas with me. Niggas be talking that bullshit.
Hey everyone, my name is najahrene and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first YouTube video.
The fucking shrinkage is fucking real. What the fuck? Yeah.
This hair tutorial was a highly requested video on my TikTok after I posted I think it was like a fashion related video. And in that video, my hairstyle was a 90s inspired updo. I guess you can say with like a natural twist to it. So yeah. So right now I stretched out my hair by using the blow dry method. And right now I'm parting my hair into a side curved part. For those that have a problem doing side curved parts, the way that I like to think of it is, think of like on a baseball field when you're pitching a curveball. You just, at the center of your head at the top, you just think of the comb as like the baseball and just curve that bitch. So yeah, right now I'm gelling up my hair. I want it as sleek as possible. And I'm using the Eco Styler, the olive oil one. After I put my hair up in a bun, I start to gel down and brush that side part so that I can slick it to the back. And I use some clips to hold it back there. Don't mind my eyebrows. I did them beforehand because I knew my side part or side bang would make it a bit challenging for me to do my eyebrows since it's so close to my brow bone.
Do you see that shit? Not the fucking bang.
I'm using Crochet pack hair. The one that I'm actually putting in my hair is one that I used before for another style. I don't know, I prefer to use it when it's kind of like frizzy like that, so it can make that bun part a little bit more bigger, I guess. So yeah, I'm just sticking a hairpin to secure it, but later on I'm gonna go back and fix it, so don't mind how it looks now. I'm doing my edges. I'm using, again, the Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one.
This is what you call swoops, bitch. I'ma make my shit swoop, swoop, swoop. See that shit? Swoop, swoop, swoop.
This is the final look. If you enjoyed watching this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.